So, what are life processes? Processes which together perform the maintenance functions which are essential for sustaining life. So, the functions which are very important for sustaining life are called as life processes. So, life processes exist for both unicellular and multicellular organisms. Now, even while when we are sitting or sleeping, the maintenance function must go on. It is not that if we are sleeping, so the respiration process won't happen. So all these functions, whether we are sleeping or doing any kind of activity, the functions must go on. So now there are different life processes. For example, nutrition, then respiration, transportation, excretion, control and coordination, reproduction, growth and development, and movement. So we will be dealing with each and everything in detail. So now first is nutrition. So now what is nutrition? Nutrition is nothing but the process of taking in food and utilizing it is called as nutrition. So when we take in the food and we utilize it for our body, we call it as nutrition. Okay, so the why do organism need food? Why we require food? So we require food because food contains nutrients and it provides energy. Then it will also help in cell repair and cell growth, and also it increases the resistance against the disease. See, if we eat proper food which has sufficient nutrients, it can help us to fight with the disease. It can increase our immune system. Now we have two types of nutrition. One is autotrophic nutrition and one is heterotrophic nutrition. As we all know, autotrophic nutrition is nothing but organisms which make their own food with the help of photosynthesis. So this is called as autotrophic nutrition. So all the green plants are nothing but they have autotrophic nutrition. Now in autotrophic we have two types. One is photosynthetic nutrition and second is chemosynthetic nutrition. Now what is photosynthetic? Photosynthetic is nothing but the green plants which make their food with the help of sunlight. So that is called as photosynthetic nutrition. Second one is chemosynthetic. Chemosynthetic is nothing but which make use of chemicals to make their food. So, for example, sulfur bacteria. So, sulfur bacteria is present in the soil which make use of chemical to prepare their food. Now, heterotrophic nutrition is nothing but organisms which depend on others for their food. So, for example, animal, humans, fungi, these all are heterotrophic nutrition. Now, we have three type of heterotrophic nutrition. One is saprophytic, one is parasitic, and the third one is holozoic. So, first one is saprophytic, second is parasitic, and third one is holozoic. Saprophytic nutrition are nothing but saprophytes are nothing but they are the organism which obtain their food from the dead plants or the dead animals. Any dead decaying matter are called as saprophytes. So, for example, fungi. So, fungi are nothing but which rely on the dead decaying matter. Next is parasitic nutrition. Parasites. What are parasites? Parasites are the organisms which obtain. In parasitic nutrition, we have two important. One is parasites and one is host. So nutrition in which organism derive its food from the body of another living organism is called as parasitic nutrition. So parasite is nothing but organism which obtain food, and host is nothing but organism from organism from whose body food is obtained is called as host. So see, organism which is obtaining food from someone else's body is called as parasitic nutrition. So in this process they do not kill the host. Third one is holozoic. Holozoic is nothing but in which an organism takes the complex food material into its body and convert into simple substance. So for example, humans, cats, dogs, these all are holozoic. So in holozoic we have again three types. One is herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores are nothing but which feed on only plants like cow, goat, horse. Second is carnivores. Carnivores is nothing but which feed on flesh animals, tiger, lion. And the third one is omnivores. Omnivores is nothing but which feed on both plants as well as animals. For example, humans. Now we have different steps in the process of nutrition in animals. So for general there are 5 steps. One is ingestion, second is digestion, third is absorption, fourth is assimilation, and the fifth one is egestion. So this is very important. The first step is ingestion. Ingestion is nothing but the process of taking food into the body. Second is digestion, the process in which food containing insoluble molecules, so the large complex substance is being converted or is being broken down into simple substance, is called as digestion. Third one is absorption, the process in which the digested food passes through the intestinal wall into the bloodstream. So once the complex substance is converted into simple substance, it has been passed to the blood. This is called as absorption. Fourth one is assimilation, the process in which the absorbed food is taken in the body cells are used for energy, growth and repair. So once the once the food is converted into simple substance, it is been given into the blood and the blood will make use of it for growth, energy, etc. The last one is egestion. So the egestion is nothing but when the undigested food, something which is not able to get digested or broken down into simple substance, is being thrown out from the body, is called as egestion.